If you want to stay updated with the latest market moves, financial news, and money-related alerts directly in Microsoft Edge, then this quick tutorial is going to help you do exactly that. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on finance notifications in Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a great feature if you want important finance updates delivered right to your browser without having to check multiple websites every day. And if you enjoy easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're on the home page. On the home page, look for the page settings icon, which appears like a small gear icon. This icon is usually located in the upper corner of the page and controls how your feed and home page look and behave. Once you find it, click on the gear icon to open the page settings menu. After the settings panel opens, look for the notification settings section. Under that section, you'll see an option that says Manage. Click on Manage to open the notification controls for your feed. This is where Edge lets you choose what kinds of updates you want to receive. Now, inside the finance notification options, you'll see a toggle labeled Get All Finance Notifications. Turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, Edge will start showing you finance-related notifications so you can keep up with news, market changes, and other money updates more easily. That's all you need to do. The process is simple, fast, and only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Now, you've successfully turned on finance notifications in Edge, and you're ready to receive those updates whenever they're available. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.